Welcome viewers, Dr. J.W. Ayub. When Australia stopped recognising itself, when shared history became an optional memory. Have you ever realised that a nation can forget itself without losing a single library? Australian history was never erased. It was simply reordered. School lessons still spoke about the past, but increasingly as disconnected moments rather than a continual national story. Students learned many histories, many perspectives, and many experiences, yet fewer understood the events, sacrifices, and institutions that had gradually shaped Australia into a single nation. Emily, a secondary school history teacher, noticed a change over time. Her students could confidently discuss global movements, international conflicts, and historical injustices from around the world. But when she was asked why Australia's parliamentary democracy had endured, how communities had been built across an immense continent, or why generations had defended the nation in times of war, the classroom fell unusually quiet. Viewers, not because the students lacked intelligence, but because no one had helped them connect the story. History had become information. It no longer felt like inheritance. One afternoon, a student asked her unexpected question: if Australia has no shared story, what exactly are we joining? Emily had no simple answer. The curriculum contained thousands of facts, yet facts alone could not create belonging. Nobody declared that Australia's history no longer mattered. It simply occupied less of the nation's emotional imagination with each passing generation. When history becomes optional, identity slowly becomes, you guessed it, negotiable. And when identity becomes negotiable, unity increasingly depends upon circumstance instead of shared memory. A nation's not held together only by its borders. It's held together by the stories its people continue telling one another. And when those stories quietly fade, citizens may continue living in the same country while gradually forgetting why they ever felt like one people at all.